Start with what you already know. In the security dilemma, the problem exists between states. There is no global authority, so every state tries to protect itself. When one state increases its military power, others feel threatened and respond in the same way. Even if both sides want peace, mistrust leads to competition and sometimes conflict. The core issue here is anarchy and uncertainty about intentions. Now, shift the level of analysis. The insecurity dilemma works within the state. Here, the problem is not primarily about other countries, it is about the relationship between the state and its own society. In many developing or post colonial states, the state is not fully stable. It lacks strong institutions, shared identity, and legitimacy. Because of this, leaders feel threatened, not just from outside, but from within, from opposition groups, ethnic divisions, or social unrest. Now, compare the logic. In the security dilemma, a state increases military power to feel safe, but this makes other states insecure. In the insecurity dilemma, the state increases control to feel safe, but this makes its own people insecure. That is the key paradox. Both dilemmas are based on a cycle of action and reaction, where attempts to create security end up producing more insecurity. But the source of the problem is different. In the security dilemma, the source is external mistrust between states. In the insecurity dilemma, the source is internal mistrust within the state and society or between the state and society. Let us take it one step deeper. In the security dilemma, the state fears attack from outside, so it builds weapons. In the insecurity dilemma, the state fears instability inside, so it strengthens surveillance, centralizes power, and sometimes suppresses dissent. But just like arms built up triggers fears in other states, political control triggers fears among citizens. And that fear leads to resistance. Resistance then justifies more control, and the cycle continues. Now, connect this with concepts you already know. The security dilemma fits guerrilla realism, where the focus is on power and survival in an anarchic system. The insecurity dilemma connects more with critical security studies and post colonial perspectives, where the focus is on legitimacy, identity, and internal conflict. It also links directly with Muhammad Ayoub's argument that in many third world states, insecurity is primarily internal rather than external, and with Barry Buzan's idea that security is not just military but also political and societal. Finally, think about the implications. In the security dilemma, even peaceful states can end up in conflict because they cannot trust each other. In the insecurity dilemma, even states trying to maintain order can end up destabilizing themselves because they cannot trust their own society. So, both dilemmas show the same deeper truth. Security is not just about removing threats, it is about how actions are perceived. And sometimes, the more you try to secure yourself, the more insecure the system becomes.